Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Signal. It is a private messenger app that you could use on your iPhone, your Android device, on your iPad, and it even has applications for Mac PC and Linux. Because of the new privacy policy and evaluation by WhatsApp, users are looking for alternatives, and along with that, the recommendation by the public figure Elon Musk to use Signal created a great impact, and people started downloading the app aggressively. Signal approaches 1 million downloads mark as WhatsApp alternative. And now Signal is receiving a significant publicity following WhatsApp announcement. And the number of new users installing Signal every day is on track to cross 1 million. One of the reasons why this has become a very popular messaging app is because of its dedication to security and privacy. It is end-to-end encrypted, just like most messaging apps are, but it's also an open source app. You could actually see the code for the app if you wanted to. And that is one of the reasons they got a lot of attention recently. At this point, I would like to share an interesting fact on what data does other famous messenger apps like Telegram, WhatsApp, and Facebook collect from your phone. Here you can see that the only personal data Signal stores is your phone number. As I said, this is the main reason that people are switching to Signal. Now I'm inside Play Store and let me install this app and show you exactly how to use this app. Here I have it on my Android phone and I'm going to go ahead and open and walk you through the sign up process. For that, let's click on continue and let's go ahead and enable some permissions here so that we can use the app. First, they are asking permission to access to your contact. So let's click on continue and click on allow and click on allow again. You do need a phone number here to sign up. It doesn't have to be the one in this phone, but it does have to be a valid phone number. And this is a verification process of the account because it will be sending you a verification code by message. So just type down your phone number here along with your country code and verify your account with your code. And here you have to at least type in your first name, but you don't have to type in your last name because it is optional. And then press next. Now you will also need to create a 4-digit PIN. I'm going to type that out here and then click on next, and this is the home page of the Signal app. So this app is really easy to use. You could just click on this icon here on the top left corner next to where it is written Signal. Once you click on that, it will take you to the settings where you can change your profile picture. I didn't add a profile picture yet, but to send messages, all you have to do is just click on the pencil icon right here, and I could find people to message by either entering their number or their name if they are already there in my contacts. Now, if they don't have Signal yet, it is going to ask them to download the app. And now here I have selected a contact which is already using Signal. Basically, this works like any messaging app. Down here you have your message box, and once you click this, you could type out any message here and this message will get typed, and you could go ahead and press send. If you have used WhatsApp or Messenger or any other messenger apps and you're going to be comfortable using this. And if you press this plus sign, it is going to let you send photos here. You can give access to your camera, and you could also send GIFs, files, contact, as well as location. So here I'm going to click on give access, and now I can go ahead and select a picture from my gallery. And if I click the camera button, just click on continue and click on allow, and we can capture the picture. Now you can send it to your conversation and they will be receiving this picture in high resolution, and you will also find a sticker option where you will find a lot of stickers out here, and you can use this option to to send stickers in your conversation. Now I'm taking the camera again, and this gives access to your phone camera, and you will see some options here while taking pictures, like rotating the camera using the icon on the top, and also you could turn on the flash. These options depends on your phone. Okay, you also have the microphone option here, and you can get access to the microphone and start recording the voice message as well. So sending pictures, recording voice messages, sending text messages, all are available right here within an individual text message. This works exactly the same way with the group message as well. Besides sending messages, you could also use this as a video chatting or an audio chatting platform. You can see on the top a video icon and a phone icon. Once you click on the video icon, you can start a video conversation, and similarly, once you click on the phone icon, you can start a phone call. And the other person will receive the phone call if they press answer. Now let's go back to the home page, and all your messages will show up over here. This is very similar to WhatsApp. So all the conversations that you have already made will show up over here. And anytime you want to restart a phone call or a conversation, you can just click and jump into that call or conversation. If you click on the camera icon here, this could get access to your camera anytime outside of using a message. So I could go ahead and take a picture here and then send it as a message. So I could select new message, type out my message, and then I have some options on the top for adding text and cropping and even saving this image. So you could use this as your main camera app as well. I'm going to click send, and it is going to show your recent chats here, and I could select the chat and press the send icon on the bottom here, and it is going to send that image to them. So you can see here that I didn't start it with a pencil icon like how I would typically will start a message. Instead, I use the camera icon so that I could take a picture and send a message. This way, you could also send a video on the same page. If you press and hold, you can see that it is recording a video. So here is a video. I could go ahead and send it. You have options to trim the video up here at the beginning and at the end. If you want, I can also type out a text along with the video, or just send by clicking the arrow, and then it is going to send that video to the person. So once you press and hold a message, you will find an option where you could give a reaction. You can select the reactions from below. Now let me show you how to send a disappearing message. In Signal, you can send message that disappear after a certain amount of time, and you can also set that time. So we do have to turn something on in the settings. So let's click on this icon, and you could turn on the disappearing messages. Here you can set when you want to disappear the message. You can set the timing between 1 week to 5 seconds. That is a range, and you can also select anything in between here. Now let's select 5 seconds here. Now let's go back and send a message. Now let me type a message and click send. You could see a little timer icon here, and after 5 seconds the message disappeared. So that is something really useful. This is something Snapchat came up with years before, and now it is a part of Signal as well. Many people also have queries about group, that they are already a part of or handling groups in WhatsApp, and how they will change to Signal. And surprisingly, Signal have a solution for that as well. Signal recently shared this to their users on Twitter. First, we need to create a group on Signal. Then tap into group settings, and then tap group link. After that, turn on the group link and tap share. Now you might share it in your former messenger apps like WhatsApp, so that people can click on and join the Signal groups easily. So that's all, guys. I hope you found this useful. Thank you and have a great day.